For a giant to gain entrance into a place, there is need for someone worthy and qualified and deserving to grant access, not to think less for a Savior, the Savior of the world, Jesus, one most deserving, set apart, purified, and ready for an encounter, Mary. This story is centered on Mary's times of struggle and desert times after the announcement of our pregnancy and delivery of Savior Jesus. To display our commitment to serve, resilience in the face of shame and rejection, perseverance in the midst of challenges, and victory of the truth revealed after the birth of Jesus. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace.
Jesus.
So this wise man no come back, abi? People say don't know that they follow the place. So me, King Herod. I give them order. So they disobey me, do what they are mad, abi? I go let them know who I be. Ah! Go meet CSO. Tell am say make he gather all the soldiers in this community. Shey you dey hear me? Make una go. Make una buy any pikin wey dey below 5 years. Shey you dey hear me so? Also tell am say any soldier wey kill more than 5 pikin, I go knack her 50 by 100. And if they pay more than 10, 100 by 100 go surplus for her. Oya go! Go now! I want to see how that pikin want to survive. That pikin wey wan call himself king, wey wan go reign over me, I want to see how he go take survive. Na me be the all talking I do of this place. So anything wey I talk, that go happen.
Aye, man. Oh, yo. The way you say they talk all these things, eh? See the way they tickle me for body. You got like talk, oh. Where up, Kiro? You see the way the things they go so, eh? You see this my work so. I go use something take care of our pikin. Normally, you know say me na hardworking man now. You understand? Omote. So you feel like 2 people. See our pikin. Say you fan. But you know something they take it resemble, sha.
I beg you, leave that matter.
The pikin to resemble me. Wait.
Leave
I just
her.
admire his smile.
Don't touch her.
Come on. See wonders.
Eh?
The kind of happiness when I dey get too,
Eh?
Come on.
Ọgọ mẹ́nà, òwe náà fọ ọgọ. Hey, ọgọ mẹ́. Kokokote, comment massi my graphique? Hey, on a qui veut voir maman? Comment maman n'a carré ma pique for me? Où est qui pire? Mary, you no go vex for me. As I hear that kind of my money, pay me now. But later I come find I say true, you not lie for me. Everybody they praise this picky everywhere where we go. Everybody they praise her. Say fine.
Ose. Me go Ose.
Alfredo! It's Josie. Only Mary.
Papa Mary,
What do you do for you?
the more waiting.
I beg you. Me myself, I still come go see the better thing.
You
Wait
tell
on
me say you
that.
no go come here. Papa Mary.
I beg you. Make I see. He get the news of Josie. Oh.
Yes, now.
No, me not good down.
Ose.
No be just
Yes, I see. Resemble me.
Yes.
Like this, I just your pieces. You see, when that angel appeared to me for my dream, when I dey try let you know, I don't fit believe. But somehow, you see they try. See the way everybody just happy now.
Abi?
Because he believe. It's like fair.
He resemble you.
And that's why
No,
I just so hard.
no, resemble the attraction na only Ghost bring at all. No resemble the attraction.
Josie,
No,
so
make you
you do well.
Body dey sweet me.
Body they sweet you
Body
too.
dey sweet me.
Body they sweet me.
Agogo.
Agogo.
Agogo. Papa Mary.
Yes.
But me na bon mogo gaga na me mogo. I dey vex so.
Wetin dey make you dey
dey
vex?
sweet me at I just dey vex.
Wetin dey make you dey vex, Mama Mary?
I dey pain you. You know they see Mary. You know they say Mary be this period. I
Mary.
dey look the pikin. Something dey happen to that one pikin o.
Wetin dey happen to Mary? Wetin be that when you notice?
Hey, my mouth no fit talk am o.
Ah.
Oh, you remember me sagbe? The thing too heavy for my mouth.
If you not talk am, we no go know the problem now. Otana watering. We no go know the problem. So wetin be the issue?
E be like say Mary don carry belle o. E be like say she don carry belle, make we call her ask am o.
No,
understand,
Mama
o.
Mary, wetin you talk just as so. You say Mary be like say e get belle.
Mary won't disgrace me.
I go
Mary
crazy.
won't disgrace me.
No, it be like
No way.
no.
Say oh.
Mo call am.
Say.
Mo call am. Mo call am. Call am. Call Mary.
Mary Oko.
Mary get belle.
Mary Oko.
Oni. Ose mi bo.
Pauvre.
Mary. Mary.
Ose.
Wetin I dey hear so? No. Mary,
Ose.
you get belle. Mary, you get belle.
Hey, why you
Mary,
why
Mary.
you dey do this guy thing? Mary, why you dey do this?
Oh, hey.
Mary, Jemiruwe. After everything I don teach you, Mary, you can't disgrace me, Mary. Why you do me this guy thing?
Mama, no be my fault.
Who go put her?
No be
Who go put her?
Joseph. No be Joseph too.
No be Joseph put her. Mary don dey waka. No be Joseph put her inside.
Oh,
Who
that-
go put her
who
inside?
go put her
Hey,
inside?
Mary, oh, Mary.
You don't dey waka anyhow.
No,
Mary don dey
Papa.
waka.
I just did my own. One angel appear. He say I go born pikin. Wetin you want make I do? No be my fault now. Wetin you want make I do?
Wait. You dey talk say na angel they give you belle.
Papa, na angel put am. No be me put am. No
Only
be me
Mary
put am.
Oluna. He say na angel give her belle. Hey, Mary, you dey lie.
I no
Mary
dey
dey
lie.
lie.
Mary, you don't dey lie. Mary, you
Mary
dey
won't
lie.
hear fiagaga. Mary won't hear fiagaga, Mary.
Wetin we go do now?
Make she come up for here. Oh, Mary go, I don't want to see Mary for here. Mary come up for here. Mary dey lie. Mary don't disgrace us for this. Mary come up for here. Come up for here. She come up for here.
Mary. See, Mama Mary.
Now they hear you.
This thing when I want to tell you, so I serious about am. If I come off from here, go where I want go so, go come back. I still see Mary for this house. Waiting, Mary I go see. In mouth no go fit talk.
He said no one see her. Me no
you no go like
her.
waiting Mary go see oh. I don't talk my own. Mary don't disgrace us.
Mary dey lie for me. Mary dey lie for me. Mary never tell me who give her the belle. Mary go tell me. Mary, how are you?
Mama, I did fine.
Mary, what you go tell? As you just come, my pikin just jump for my belly.
Auntie, I don't chop belly full.
I talk calm. I say, you know just dey normal. Say as you just come, my pikin just jump out. I almost get equal. What happen?
Auntie, I just did one day for house. I just did on my own. One angel just appear. He tell me say, I go born one pikin. A pikin go be this. A pikin go be that. And now which I want tell my parents and I say, I never know man. Man never know me. I take a belle. Wetin enter how?
Don't worry. As you don't talk, angel, the problem don't solve. I don't understand already. You know, say this my pikin when I carry now still angel. Appear to my husband. Tell am who believe say me, Eliza, go fit born. They no go believe say I fit push cockroach on this life. But see now, I carry angel appear to my husband. Now this pikin thing, as you don't call angel, I don't believe you. Which means this pikin na assignment. Now divine thing. So don't worry. Don't worry, eh? Everything will do.
Auntie Lisa, don't be waiting if they talk so. My parents now they don't want believe me. Papa Mary and Mama Mary, they don't want hear me. Even Joseph, now Joseph no one believe me.
You know, say the assignment of God, the prophecy of God, the guy they be, they're difficult for her. But when it comes to fulfillment, many people will come believe. Don't worry, they go believe you. I go talk to them. You they okay, Abi? I'll go talk to them.
Nice. Be like me, Abi. That's sure they never like me. You were a trust. Joseph, you come in now, when they tell me to be sorry. You they tell me say you love me. Now it they take the love. Small problem now, you zoom off. They tell me rubbish, say you love me. Can't love.
I know I pardon you. I don't leave you. You see that period the whole thing not just clear to me at all. I dey try to understand, but the thing not be waiting I feel just understand that time. The whole thing just get away.
Joseph, even you were a trust. My mama sideline me. Even you were a put up on. You can't dey sideline me. Now me put am for there. Answer me, now me put am.
I understand why you dey vex. I know why you dey vex, but you know they understand me. No man, I know so you go vex on me based on the way I take act. I know so you go actually vex on me, but not vex. Not be my fault. Now when I go later understand the way the whole thing be, I go know say na the Holy Spirit na put on there. Not be your fault, and not be my fault. The whole thing just get away for my eye. It's not really that clear to me. But I don't know, I don't understand now. I beg. I don't fear you since now, Mary. See, you know say I too go love you. I love you now.
Which kind love? Now so they do love for your own side.
See,
You don't reach time for wahala, you dey run. They tell me you love me. Now sit, they take the love.
I just dey worried about you. Okay, no please. You don't do now. You don't do respect for me. I don't miss it.
God to do.
Your mind not this place. She not the follow the six. Mary. See, this one we don't see so body sweet us.
Yes.
Body sweet us.
Yes. For this sweet us.
Yes, sir.
For this one, when my eyes don't
Who
see.
keep your girl?
Josie, I'll go call all my kingsmen. May they come praise this God. We don't give us this better thing.
You dey like that kind thing. Look at them.
Abi?
Look at them.
I go go.
No, I don't understand that.
Why not put the mom now? What is teacher?
The boys are too small.
Let me now my papa saying.
Are you too small? I want to call that for
Jesus! Mama, mother, why are you looking for me?
What put me for trouble? You go like talk well. Since we don't define you, me and your papa. You not there before. Now here you dey.
You know nothing on my papa business now I can't do for you. Yeah. My papa work now I can't do for you. No, they need to know the truth. Let me suppose to feed the truth with them.
Hey, Pikin, you know see someone dey defend you. We don't defend you, follow everywhere. So now you dey. You just work out, come out for us, come sit down. All these people now, you know them.
I know say una dey find me, but I suppose no say my papa work now I come here come do. Not be your papa be this.
Be like you go like talk. You go like talk. You want to put me for talk, abi? You know what go happen, eh? May I leave you. Once you finish what you do so, just come us. Come meet us for us. You hear me?
Me una too come sit down when you still learn small now.
My joy, plate dey wait you for us. Come wash plate when you finish. Una do.
Men no beat am. Men no beat am, babe.
Now, una don't understand, abi. Wow. Say everything why I don't talk since una don't clear.
It's different from the one we fair know. We know want to accept this law, but are you? Because we listen to you.